On one side of the cobblestone street lived Sir Reginald, a man of great wealth and opulence. His manor stood tall and grand, adorned with ivy-covered walls and sprawling gardens that whispered tales of prosperity. Opposite him resided old widow Ethel, her humble cottage weathered by time and circumstance. Though lacking in riches, her heart overflowed with kindness, and her door was always open to those in need. Sir Reginald, with his pride as towering as his manor, looked upon widow Ethel with disdain, dismissing her as a mere pauper unworthy of his attention. Yet, the widow bore no ill will towards her affluent neighbor, instead offering smiles and greetings whenever they chanced to meet. One fateful day, misfortune befell Sir Reginald. His lavish estate, built upon a foundation of greed and arrogance, crumbled beneath the weight of his debts. With his coffers emptied and his once mighty stature reduced to naught, he found himself destitute and desperate. Meanwhile, widow Ethel, though possessing little material wealth, was rich in the bonds of community and compassion. Upon hearing of Sir Reginald's plight, she extended a hand of friendship, offering him shelter and sustenance within her modest abode. At first, Sir Reginald scoffed at the notion of seeking aid from one he deemed beneath him. Yet, as days turned to weeks and his hunger grew insatiable, he swallowed his pride and accepted the widow's hospitality. In the warmth of widow Ethel's hearth, Sir Reginald discovered a wealth far greater than any gold or silver. He found solace in her company, and in her simple way of life, he learned the true meaning of abundance. As the seasons danced their merry tune and the village buzzed with tales of their unlikely companionship, Sir Reginald underwent a transformation of heart. No longer did he measure wealth by the size of his coffers or the grandeur of his estate, but by the richness of the relationships he nurtured and the kindness he bestowed upon others. And so, the once proud Sir Reginald and the humble widow Ethel became inseparable friends, their bond a testament to the enduring power of compassion and camaraderie. In a world where riches often blinded men to the treasures of the heart, theirs was a story of redemption and enlightenment, woven together by the threads of fate and goodwill.